Do you want to whip up some great embroidery? We have an event just for you. Because if you're like me, my design might take a little bit of this. What does this do? I don't know how to use this. What about this thing? And heaven's sakes, what even is this thing? Well, we have an event that we've never done before that you are gonna love. It is the Embroidery Test Kitchen with OESD. It is gonna be so much fun. And at this event, you're going to get to learn from an embroidery professional on how to get great results, and you're going to get to test out the products that are going to help you get great placement, help you cut the perfect thing, use the right stabilizer, have things aligned, all the things that you might want to know. You're going to get to try out hands-on. So we're going to have a blast. Seating is limited. It's going to fill up fast. So make sure you sign up today. And this is going to be in July. And the 10th, it's in Mount Vernon. The 11th, it's in Bellevue. The 13th, we're in Olympia. And on the 14th, we're in Silverdale. So make sure you sign up today. So that way you can take the mystery out of your embroidery recipes. We look forward to seeing you there.